Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making Girl Scout shortbread cookie pie crust. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. There's no such thing as too many Girl Scout cookies, but I always seem to have an abundance. This recipe can also be made with lemon ups or any cookie that doesn't have cream or chocolate chips. The first thing I'm going to do is blend these, just about a cup at a time. I find the most efficient way to smash cookies into a fine crumb is to place them in a bag on parchment paper to catch any crumbs, and use a heavy roller to roll them out. I'm aiming for 2 cups of crumbs. The one package of shortbread cookies does the trick perfectly. I even had a few extra to munch on while I baked. And now for a dino fact. When a worker at a quarry in Oxfordshire, England, discovered unusual bumps as he was stripping clay, he discovered what turned out to be 5 extensive trackways with over 200 dinosaur footprints dating back 166 million years. And now, let's get back to our pie crust. Once your cookies are finely crushed, you can transfer them to a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon of five spice. Or you can also use half a teaspoon of cinnamon and cloves each, and just mix it all up. Here I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter that I'm going to add to my bowl. Make sure that all the crumbs are fully coated in the butter. Lastly, add the mixture into the pie plate. Spread it all the way around. I always find that knuckles seem to work best for this. And done. Easiest crust ever. And you don't even have to pre-bake. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.